Welcome to my channel, and today we'll be talking about crypto.com CRO. Crypto.com continues to add almost 500 new holders daily despite recent hack. We all know that the war between Russia and Ukraine contributed to a lot, almost all the whole cryptocurrency going down in the past few days, and we thank God the war has finally come to an end, and we hope this will bring back the value of all currency and let all cryptocurrencies start to gain more value in few days and few weeks to come. But in this video we'll be talking about crypto.com CRO, and if you take a look at crypto.com candlestick chart, we will discover that today's formation has actually shown a kind of green, and we hope this candlestick formation will continue to go higher in the past few days to come. And also this candlestick formation is actually showing a kind of W pattern candlestick formation, and I hope that in few days to come, in fact in next 7 days to come, this crypto.com candlestick pattern will complete the formation of our W pattern. And in case everything work out well, then can you know that this crypto.com will reach this level 58 cents in few days to come, and might even go up to this level 68 cents in few days to come. Last year crypto.com reached 97 cents before later falling down to crypto.com went down to almost 33 cents, but recently crypto.com is currently trading at 40 cents per one coin, and we hope the news concerning Russia and Ukraine will bring more value to crypto.com and more value to other currency, and we hope this sell here will actually go to neutral and go to buy, so we can have a strong sell here in few days to come. Once again, thank you. You're welcome to my channel, and kindly subscribe in order not to miss my next video.